guys saw the title, this is gonna be the last drive with the GTS. We're just gonna go on one last drive with the GTS. We're not gonna see her for a while because she is going to the dermatologist to get some skin treatment, and then she is also gonna get some booty implants. And when is that gonna happen, you ask? Well, tomorrow. This is like an amazing back road to drive on, especially with a GTS, because as you guys know, these cars are just like back road monsters. So I really want to go on like one last drive. Like, I'm gonna drive the crap out of this thing. Like, we're gonna go on like a basically like 7.5 hour long drive to Mount Greyjoy. Greyjoy? No, watching too much Game of Thrones. Mount Greylock. We're going to Mount Greylock, and it's a very long drive from where I'm from. It sucks when you get like the itch to drive, because when like you don't have the car with you and you have the itch to drive, it sucks because you can't drive the car because you don't have it. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like having that itch, like you really want to drive, and like it distracts you from like the rest of your day, and you can't get any work done or anything because all you're thinking about is like wanting to drive the car. Like, do all car guys suffer from this, or is that me? Let me know in the comments below. Driving for like 2 hours and the roads were perfect. I didn't record, but as soon as I go to press that record button on my GoPro, roads get bumpy. Oh my god. Steep hill, curves, next mile, use caution. All right. Well guys, I don't know how else to say this, but we just drove all this way for almost nothing because Mount Greylock was blocked off due to a parade. We just drove for like hours just to find out that it's closed. It's okay, the drive on the way here was nice, and we're just gonna be going home right now. So yeah, let's put the GoPro on our head. We'll have one last fun drive. It's a little bit rainy right now, so we'll keep it easy. Just keep in mind that it's raining and we have 625 horsepower going to the rear wheels, so we have to be a little bit careful. We have Lucky Charms Garage right in front of us, and then we have Bad Habit Exotics behind us. So yeah, let's see how well we can do. Let's put it into individual mode, which I have customized to my liking already. Ooh. And if you guys were wondering, you can drive the GTS or any rear-wheel drive car in the rain just as long as you have the proper tires. For example, if I had Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s on the car right now, I probably wouldn't have made it this far, but I have the Pilot Sport 4Ss right now, so we're good. And we need this Honda Odyssey to move out of the way. Great. Of course, we hit a lot of traffic. How nice.